Welcome to the Colorlight course. This video will walk you through the methods to connect your player to the cloud. Before we begin, get to know the definition of the cloud platform. Colorlight Cloud is a cloud-based remote management system designed for multiple scenarios, enabling real-time screen monitoring, program publishing, and more. How does the cloud platform work? Users upload commands and programs to the cloud platform through the internet using an application, and the platform will send commands and programs to the device. Bind the device to the cloud platform to establish communication, which is referred to as connect to the cloud. How to connect your player to the cloud. Next, I will cover how to connect to the cloud through LAN, dragging, and mobile phone. Let's start with connecting to the cloud by dragging. To make this happen, launch Player Master. Connect your player to the PC using a USB cable. Select Network to verify the network connection. Go to Software Settings, Cloud Mode, and sign into your cloud account to access the Cloud Mode interface. View the detected devices under USB in the left side panel and drag the device you want to connect to the target terminal group under Cloud. To connect to the cloud through LAN, verify the network status of the player first. Ensure that the device and the player are on the same LAN and enable Cloud Mode in Player Master. Sign into your cloud account and right-click the terminal group you want to add under Cloud in the left side panel. Select Add LAN Device in the context menu and select the checkbox before the terminal you want to add to the cloud. Select OK and a message indicating that the cloud connection is successful appears. When it's not handy to connect your player to the cloud using the PC, cloud connection through a mobile phone is an alternative. How to connect your player to the cloud on mobile. To connect to the cloud using a mobile phone through Wi-Fi, connect to the hotspot of the player first. Launch LED Assistant and access the terminal list. Tap Terminal and enter the player password to access the terminal interface. Tap the cloud icon and sign in to your cloud account. Then a message indicating that the cloud connection is successful appears. To connect to the cloud using a mobile phone through 4G or LAN, launch LED Assistant and click on the menu icon in the upper right corner. Tap Scan to Cloud to see the login interface. Log in to the cloud platform and scan the QR code of the serial number label on the player, or enter the serial number to access the device-to-cloud interface. Verify your device and tap Cloud. That's how to connect to the cloud. Subscribe to the Colorlight channel and stay tuned for more updates.